Hey, Abe from Brace Tool. I just want to give you a quick update on something exciting that we're working on that will be happening for the month of September. We designed our Wireline valves to address a few industry key points: simplicity in design, ease of use, and most importantly, reliability and longevity. Now here's the good news. For the month of September, we are offering exclusive discounts on our manual Wireline valves. Available in 5K and 10K, we have the Wireline valve you need at any job. Please keep in mind that this offer is only available in the month of September, and we will start shipping these out to customers at the end of September. So this is a great time for you to stock up and get the best value Wireline valves at a discounted price. If you find value in videos like this, we encourage you to follow us on our online channels. We'd love for you to be a part of the Brace Tool community. Again, my name is Abe Balin from Brace Tool. Thank you for watching this video.